Guys, what's up and welcome to part 5 of the Monster Truck animation series. Alright, here we go. Hello, welcome to the race. Today we have two teams, Team Red and Team Blue. There'll be some different races, so let's get started. Race 1 is a drag race. Teams, choose your players. Here we go. AMS Oil Shock Therapy versus Hot Wheels. 3, 2, 1, go! Team Team Blue have a point. Team Red have lost. Yeah. Aw, man. Race 2 is an oval. Here we go. Go. 2 laps. Team gets a point, and oh no, it looks like a player on the blue team is injured. Let's see what happens. They were just coming around, and then, Max D bumped into El Toro Loco, and he crashed. So, as a result, but it's fair, so El Toro Loco wins! Woo! Real quickly, I'm just gonna have to push Max D in here so they can get back up. It's the final race! It's a road course! Choose the player who has not gone yet. Oh man, this is gonna be easy. 2 laps. Ready, go! Oh no! Ice Cream Man is stuck. Ice Cream Man wins! Red team is the winner! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Come here, puppy. Come here, puppy. J. Oh, yeah! What? They have a dog? Oh, I remember that. If you steal this dog, I will punch you in the face. Okay. Yay! Yay! Here you go. Here's your prize. You get boy! You get a chocolate cake! Yay! Oh man, they get a cake! Yummy! Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.